Oh my God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Jensen Huang, which is the CEO of NVIDIA, has already programmed and designed AI to take the world into the $1 trillion, which is already exists, of course, anyway. It's nothing new. And what he has already said, I also believe.
I'm fairly confident that AI will drive productivity, revenue growth, and therefore more hiring. There's a belief that the world's GDP is somehow limited at $100 trillion. Well, what's likely to happen is AI is going to cause that $100 trillion to become $200 trillion, $300 trillion, $500 trillion. There's no fundamental limit to the size of a GDP. And the number of people in the world that is participating in this GDP, in the $100 trillion GDP, is actually quite small. And so what if we brought the rest of the world, the rest of society, the rest of the world's population, empower them with AI, give them the opportunity to participate in the GDP, and cause this GDP to quintuple?
Of course, Ford Limited is well geared and positioned in the AI, artificial intelligence opportunities. We are already in the picture and accumulating exactly what the $1 trillion industry is going to be like in the near future. We are already in it. Ford Limited was created for this purpose within the AI revolution and the $1 trillion industry. Ford Limited was basically designed to accommodate the $1 trillion industry.